Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add custom live wallpaper in Infinix Note 40 device. By the way, guys, we have a default live paper also. Like if we go to wallpapers, so we have live wallpapers too. But right now we are talking about the custom live wallpaper, so we can use third-party application. The application name is Magic Fluid. This one. Just install this application from the Play Store. After that, guys, just click to open. This application contains some ads, so because this is a free application, just click to continue to app and then click next to select the language. So the wallpaper look like I selecting this wallpaper. Now click to set wallpaper. Okay, after that, guys, just we have some settings like it will be auto burst, so it will be moved automatically. Now click to apply. That's how it look like. Now click to set wallpaper. I am selecting home screen only, and as you see, this is set now. So that's how we can set a live custom live wallpaper in Infinix Note 40 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.